Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Two Toys channel. Okay, this time new batch of arrivals from Kaido House Mini GT. But first things first, Merry Christmas to y'all and a Happy New Year. What a crazy year it has been. I believe this would be possibly the last batch of new arrivals from Mini GT Kaido House before the new year. Okay, so I will do it in this sequence. I'm going to open up the Kaidos, these two Kaidos first, the E30, the Silverado. Then we'll do these mini GTs. Okay, that's the McLaren, Liberty Walk, another Liberty Walk R35, and then there's the R32 BNR. I'll do it in that sequence. And the last one, last but not least, I will unseal this together with you guys. This is actually a Black Limited AE86. So this is actually the second AE86 variant that came out. The regular version should be coming out very, very soon. I assume that it's going to be in the next batch, actually. That's what we heard. So do hit the subscribe button so that I don't miss on any of my other scale model videos, okay? So before I open up this one up, as well, just a quick mention, right? Together with Cube, we'll be helping them to organize Mini Scale Festival Malaysia Volume 4. This platform is going to focus more on miniatures, diorama, accessories, and figures. So make sure you do check it out. It's a one-day event happening on 31st January. Okay, so this time around we managed to get the endorsement from Hardcore and also Rocket Bunny to actually use their logos at the event. Okay, so there will be some official miniatures that will come out, and yeah, so do stay tuned for over at Cube. Okay, for all things mini scale festival. Cool. So first, this would be the new variant. Okay, for the E30, this Kaido House number 216. It's in blue. Okay, another plain color car from Kaido. Yeah, I do quite like the plain color cars now. Okay, because they have been doing a lot of flares, a lot of livery and decals. So when they do a plain color version, right, I usually quite like it. It's purple, not blue. It's more purple than blue. It's more purple than blue, but it looks so good. This looks so good, I must say. Let's put that aside. Take a closer look. Check that out. I'm wondering if you're seeing it through the camera, because the camera kind of shows it a little bit more bluish than purple. Through my eyes, it's more purple than blue, but looks really very nice. This is actually a very nice color. Very nice that they've done it in plain color. It looks more road going, but we know that this Kaido is not going to be a stock car, right? Very nice, actually. It's really growing on me. So good. Check out the headlamps, done properly. The kidney grille, front bumper, wide front fenders. I do quite like this set of rims, actually. They are a little bit more normal compared to the other castings. Okay, not the crazy wide at the rear, but it's still a very wide fender at the back. Nice. The side view looks beautiful. Rims looks good as well, even though it's in black. That's a Yokohama tires. There's an Avant sticker here. Tail lights done properly with the number plates. KHMG Kaido House Mini GT E30. It's very nice. Oh, pipes pointed upwards. That's very cool. Very nice. Interior wise, you can see the carbon fiber wing at the back, carbon fiber parts front and back as well on the dash. Red color seats. Well, hey, hang on. That's some branding on the roll cage. What's that? So small, I can't see it. I can't really can I see it through the camera? I think it says Kaido or something. Kaido what? Oh, it's just really very small. Okay, let me know if you can read. What's written there? Kaido something. This is probably my first branding on the roll cage. Yeah, it does say something, but I can't read it. Okay, it's really very small. Yeah, I would say that it's more of the problem of my eyesight rather than the print quality. it does look like it's some form of alphabets actually. So it's, yeah, me. Oh, I do quite like that. You can see the e-brake in the middle. Yes, done properly in black. Red seats. The base is in white. This is actually very nicely done. Okay, let's open up the engine hood. There we go. Okay, some engine details in there. BMW M Power. Okay, nice, very nice. Easily one of my favorite Kaido House right now, this E30. Okay, next, Kaido House number 226, the Chevy Silverado Kaidworks version 3. So there is actually two versions of this Silverado. There is the dually version as well, which has the wider rear fender, which actually has more wheels. Dually, so it has more torque for towing. Okay, so that's the inner box. I do quite like this color, the green and yellow motif. Very Brazil color actually. There we go. So even though it's a Brazil color, right, it has the words Kaido on top. Team Kaido. Produced by Kaido House Racing. Offset. I believe this is the brand of the pins that Kaido House makes. So I'm not sure if it's a collaboration or it's Offset its own brand. Yeah, it's Kaido House own sub brand. Offset Kaido Pin Gang. Yeah, that's why there is the Offset logo down here. Not sure what logo is this. Initially I thought it's Kia. It really reminds me of the Kia logo. 100% Kaido House. The print quality on this thing is very nice. Check out those very nice steely rims. Okay. Not a new casting. Both are not new castings. Quite a few variants already. Okay, it's just this Kaido House that has the front opening hood and the opening of the tailgate. Okay, it does have the tow hook as well. Alright, so this is the Silverado. Okay, next we move on to the Mini GTs. So we'll do the R35 first. Okay, this is Mini GT number 1124. Nissan LB Works GT 35 GT-RR version 2 in blue. Right, has the Nissan licensing. I got it out already. Ooh. There we go. It rolls out very nice. Very nice blue actually. This reminds me of the well, this is blue black, but it kind of reminds me of the Calsonic colors, which is usually blue white. But it's highly associated with, often associated with Nissan, right? Okay, it does have the Liberty Walk logo there, very big Nismo logo on the door. Quite nice to see, you know, even the Liberty Walk tagline right above the Nismo logo. That's pretty cool. Number 5, go to the front, Nismo LB Performance, the Kanat, the front, left and right. This intake in red, very nice. Lip, very nicely done as well. Not a new casting, seen quite a few of these already, the silhouette, but there has been variations of the wing, right? So that's something that Mini GT does. The different body can actually go with different wing. Okay, very nice. Very nice blue, actually, blue and black. But I've been seeing so many red and black. Somehow the red and black looks better, right? Let me know what you think. Okay, so that's the R35. Next, McLaren 720S LB Works, the boring concept. Okay, so the boring concept, pardon me, I didn't do my full homework. If I'm not mistaken, it's a lifestyle brand. I know, if I'm not mistaken, they recently did a launch in Taiwan, I think. There was a couple of these that was available. So yeah, I only know them as a lifestyle brand. I haven't really looked into it. Let me know if you know who are they. Okay, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, this is one of the hottest new casting from Mini GT, the LB720S. Alright, so this is Mini GT number 1083. Inozetec. Oh, hang on. Inozetec is from US, but I think they have a couple of branches around Asia already. It's a car detailing wrapping company. Very nice. LB logo on the side. Very big TBC logo on the door. Very cool emoji here. It reminds me of either Lego Man or Stormtrooper. That reminds me of the two things. The AE86 logo down there. Need to check out the rear. Look at that. Beautiful. Such a beautiful rear. Very nice that Mini GT has detailed the diffuser. It has the AE86 logo underneath the wing as well. The McLaren logo is still there. LB plates. Very nice. Check out the aim plate. Oh, side view. Look at that. Beautiful. Center locking nut. Very nice. Petrol filler cap detail as well. This is a very nice casting. Oh, the rear really is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep the rear view here like that. Yes. Yeah, we have to. Okay, next. Mini GT number 1024. Nissan Skyline GT-R, the Nismo BNR32 CRS version, dark metal grey. Okay. CSR version. There we go. Combined with the black rims. Pretty cool. The Nismo intake. Very nice. Very nice set of rims actually. Very fine. So the only issue is there's no brake discs. Okay, check out the rear. The iconic R32 taillights with the Nismo plates. Nice. Interior wise, everything is in black. Same goes to, I think, both the other two cars. Cool. Oh, look at the headlamps. Very nicely done by Mini GT. Okay. It's R32. Hang on. Let's check out the interior. I thought I saw some detailing in there. No. It's just black. All in black. Right. Okay, so I'm going to put R35 there. Okay, last but not least, let's open this guy up. So it came with a pin. Okay, the Kaido House pin. Very nice Kaido House design at the back. Okay, so yeah, I haven't bought any Black Limited for a while now, but I thought this one is something that I think I want. Kaido House Black Limited AE86 limited to 350 units. Mine is number 217. Okay, it's in this wrapper. It has the Toyota license. All right, let's open it up. Okay, so while I open this up, right, help me to hit the like button because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. I'm not sponsored by any of these brands, so hit the subscribe button. Okay, help me to grow the channel so that I can bring more videos, unboxing videos for you guys. Okay, I'm very, very, very close to 10,000 followers already. So it doesn't cost you anything, so help me out. Just hit the subscribe button. Okay, because I noticed more than 60% of you guys who are watching are actually not subscribed. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. Saw photos, black, gold. Of course, I'm not gonna, of course, I've got to get one. I've got to get one. Oh, okay, this is a brand new casting. Second variant. The first one was launched in LA. I can't recall it's online exclusive or was it a in-store exclusive thing. But that was in chrome red. And I'm not a fan of the chrome red. But this black gold, yes. Yes. Because it's quite close to, well, I say close, but there is a Black Limited version of the AE86, right? From factory. So black gold makes sense. Beautiful. Beautiful. Crazy white fender. Okay, purely just extension from the body. All right, the overall Corolla AE86 body is not, well, I would call it untouched. Okay, it's purely addition of the fenders. I think it's a bit similar to, I think, the Civic EF as well. So it's purely the extension of the over fender. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, I do see a switch down here, but it's really very far inside. Okay. Let's do a quick look. Blue seats, carbon fiber dash, silver color base with a gold color roll cage, the Watanabe inspired rims. All right, the headlamps does look like it's supposed to open up by itself, right? I do see a switch underneath. We'll check that out later. Carbon fiber hood, 86 Avant. Ooh, is that a Ford AGE? Does look like it. Very nice. I can almost hear the initial D soundtrack going already. I can hear the AE86 going down Mount Alkina already. Very nice, very clean. Very nice, very clean. Oh, I'm gonna close it and we're gonna check out the front. Front view looks good. Side view looks great. Rear wheel looks awesome. Okay, all right, let's see if I can work out the switch without using any other tool. Oh no, I can't reach it. I probably need to get a screwdriver. Hang on. Okay, so let's say I can do it on camera. I'm gonna move this. Oh, okay, that's quite loose. There we go. Oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna use something. It's quite loose actually. Can it stay there? No, it's not gonna stay there. What? Do I need to hold it? I think I need to hold it. I need to find a way to hold it. Keep it up. Okay, seems to work now. Pretty cool. So 2 moving parts, the opening hood and the pop-up headlamps. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so yeah, I was considering maybe to let this go after doing unboxing. Oh no, I might need to keep it. Damn. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna park it here. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay? So close to 10,000 subscribers. Help me get there. Help me get there. Okay. What else? Extras available through Cube. Do look them up. They ship international. Remember January 31st, 2026, Miniscale Festival Volume 4. All updates through Cube. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.